In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp with Shopify. So first, of course, make sure that you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, go to integrations and here search for Shopify. Then click on it. Now click on the Get Started button. You will then be redirected to Shopify App Store and here make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account to proceed. Once logged in, click on the Install button. Once again, click on the Install button. After installing, also log in to your MailChimp account. Also authorize the connection and click Allow. Once inside, click on the Sync Now button. This allows MailChimp to sync your Shopify store data. And once connected, MailChimp will automatically sync your customers, orders, and products. This helps you segment your audience based on purchase behavior. Here, you can also create email campaigns targeting specific groups like repeat buyers, first time customers, or abandoned carts. MailChimp also tracks how your emails impact sales so you can see revenue generated from each campaign. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!